Okay, what's up, guys? Like and subscribe, obvious stuff. Get yourself some Bitcoin. I'll give you a run through of this DGTX situation. Okay, I'm already in the room. That's my entry bar. You see it right there. Coming over here real quick. This is open contracts at 20,000. This will show you how much DGTX coin you are getting off of the trade. That plus 2,000 that just popped up, that's what that is. Now I go over here. I'm preparing to sell. Excuse me. So I jumped in at 84.30. You can see my score is 0 in the upper right hand corner right now. I'm ready to sell. I'm ready to sell. We're looking at 84.34. This is a live time market. Remember that too. This is a live time market right now. It's a little bit off from Bitcoin price because this is a beta room, but still, this is a live time market. Boom, I cleared that sale. 80 million points right there. 40,000 in volume if you look up to the right hand corner, and 2,000 DGTX. PNL is DGTX. Okay, so now I see perhaps it'll go down. Alright, so I'm in there. My entry point is 84.30. I suspect that it may dip below 84.30. Right now, I'm just reading the candles quickly. I'm not really even doing my normal process. Normally, I wouldn't jump in unless I see what I want to see from them candles. That orange bar over to the left, that's liquidation. And what that means is if you are in the short and you're selling is on the short side, if the price were to take a dramatic increase and go up to 84.75, you would want to liquidate. You'd want to get out of there. You'd be losing too much money by then. So that's an indicator bar for that. Over here, this is, you can see where it says 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. That's where my profit lies. If it dips down to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, I know to sell at that point to clear that amount. So let's stick with it for a second. Let's see what this market does. Okay, it's coming down to me. And again, some people sit in here and do this for hours and hours and hours out of their day. And there's days that I do sit behind my screen and I'm just watching trends. If it's a, if it's a popular day, if it's jumping in the market is climbing and dropping and climbing, you know what I mean? Volatility to me equals an opportunity as a day trader to make quick amounts of money and benefit my team. We pull that money together and we can use it on other projects. All right, so it's going back up a little bit. I'm not where I want to be, but I still did manage to cash out some. So my score is now 100 million. My volume's at 50,000, and I have 2,000 DGTX. That's in the upper right-hand corner still. So I'm still on the short side, waiting for it to drop back down so I can clear some profit. And again, I'll remind you, they give you 100,000 DGTX to start out with. So you can see I'm at 102,000. I've went up a little bit. My available balance on, this is the upper left hand corner I'm talking about. You have your balance up there and available balance, 66,000. So I have 66,000 that I'm able to place as trades right now. I have 20,000 out there, and then I have another margin of 18. You know what I mean? There's contracts out there, so that's why it's not a full available balance matching your balance, if that makes sense. I'm trying to, make this concise and put this in a nutshell as easy as possible for you guys. So looking at the market, let's speed ahead a little bit here. It drops down, and again, I'm on the 1 minute future right now. So I'm on the 1 minute chart. You can go to 5 minute, 10 minute. No, I think it's 5, 15, the hour, the day. You have to find your style, and this is part of what I was talking about having a plan. So I just cleared some more profit right there. My score is now 210 million, 70,000 volume, 3,000 DGTX. That's in the upper right hand corner. That timer you see is 53:14 and counting down. That is how much time is left in this round before it resets. You'll notice every once in a while it will reset. Take your points and log them in. Those points are accumulated in, 24-hour cycles, day by day, and you're awarded real, currency prizes for placing in top scores. All right, so I'm at 210. Now I have an entry on the long side. I'm going to, I see that the bulls are pushing it, the bears are bringing it down a little bit, but it's probably going to come back up. So I'm here at 84.25 over on the left. That's my entry point. And our spot right now is at 84.19, so I'm a little $6-7 under. When it starts to climb back up, I'm going to sell. If you look at the green, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, the indicators next to the market volumes and things like that, you'll notice one side goes up, one side goes down. So that's how you profit off of either side. I'm doing my best to, explain this layout for you, because if you go to other platforms like Bitfinex, Coinbase Pro, places like that, Kraken, there's a lot of platforms out there, and there's ones that I would suggest and ones that I would not suggest. You know what I mean? I would go with a respectable one who, has a lot of opportunity and a lot of benefits for you. Make sure their fees aren't too high if you're going to do that. Do your homework first. And nobody's promoting me, so I'm not gonna give my opinions on the pros and cons of each platform. I know which one I use. I know where my money feels safe for my team, but I'm gonna leave that where it lies for right now. Okay, so I got a little bit of profit on the left. You can see the spot bar is climbing right now. So I've cleared that. My score is now 320 million, 80,000 in volume, $4,000 DGTX. Sorry. My available balance has increased, and my overall balance is up to 104,000. So now I'm on the short side. It's coming back down. I want to catch something from this side. I'm moving a little quicker now. And this is what I mean. You can play the long game or you can play the short game.
Shut up and sit down.
That's all you got to do. Shut up, sit down, and make money. That's why I chose this as my background music. Just shut up, sit down, and make money with me. Because if this were a real market right now, we'd be making a couple dollars. Boom, that cleared 550 million. Volume 110,000. 5,000 DGTX coins. But you see what I mean. You see how easy this is to watch the market live time. Learn those bars. All right, like and subscribe. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm giving out Bitcoin. Get with the team. Follow this link down here. Follow the link. Check me out at my blog, cryptoguy.co.blog, or follow me at Twitter at mycryptoguy1. Till next time, treat each other better, and we can do better, guys. Let's get it.